imagine? The earth-shaking thunder of dual rotors churning the air like a storm unleashed a colossal tandem-winged titan, hauling impossible loads through hostile skies where lesser machines would falter. Or could this indestructible workhorse finally meet its match in the drone-infested battlefields of tomorrow, crumbling under swarms that exploit its massive frame? Gear. Aviation adrenaline junkies, because on Defense Digest, we're hurtling into the unbreakable legend of the Boeing CH-47 Chinook, the U.S. Army's heavy-lift helicopter that's been the backbone of global operations since the 1960s. Cling to every word until the jaw-dropping climax reveals 2025's game-changing upgrades that might just propel it into hypersonic aeros. Pound that like button if heavy lifters hype you up. Subscribe and smash the bell for more sky-shattering sagas. And comment below, what's your epic Chinook story? And could it outlift a rival like the Mi-26 in a modern showdown? Conceived in the late 1950s by Boeing Verto as a tandem rotor replacement for piston-engine choppers, the CH-47 Chinook, named after the Native American tribe, took its first flight on September 21, 1961, entering service in 1962 with a revolutionary design featuring two counter-rotating 60-foot rotors driven by twin Lycoming T55 turboshaft engines, upgraded to GET 408 in modern variants. Stretching 98 feet long, with a 30-foot fuselage width and 18-foot height, capable of hauling a maximum takeoff weight of 500 pounds, at speeds up to 196 miles per hour, a combat radius of over 200 miles. Extendable with internal tanks to 400 plus, and a service ceiling of 20,000 feet. Its cavernous cargo hold swallowing up to 33 troops, 24 stretchers, or 24,000 pounds of slung cargo, like artillery pieces or Humvee, all while boasting armored seats, redundant systems, and a rear ramp for rapid loading in hot zones. Nicknamed the Shithook by troops for its gritty reliability, the Chinook has starred in every major U.S. conflict, airlifting howitzers in Vietnam's jungles, where it survived over 200 hits in one mission, evacuating thousands in Afghanistan's mountains during Operation Anaconda, hauling supplies in Iraq's deserts amid IED threats, and even humanitarian feats, like dropping aid in Haiti's 2010 earthquake or fighting wildfires with massive water buckets. With over 1,200 built-in variants like the MH-47G for special ops featuring terrain following radar, aerial refueling, and fast rope insertions. But the pulse racing drama ramps up in 2025. Boeing's CH-47F Block 2, with contracts for 18 units by October, including 9 new ones from Army deals worth $461 million. Introduces autonomy for unmanned ops, open architectures for quick upgrades, enhanced engines boosting lift by 4,000 pounds, strengthened drivetrains for extended range, and advanced avionics for all-weather precision. As the US accelerates rapid fielding to outfit combat units, while foreign sales like 6 to the UAE approved in May and India's August deployments in northern sectors highlight its global reach. Yet vulnerabilities to cheap drones in Ukraine-style wars spark urgent calls for laser defenses. Az's rotor relic evolves into a smart beast, rotors fading into the horizon laden with mystery payloads. The nail-biting suspense surges what drone-killing tech will arm it next. And in urban skies teeming with threats, will AI integration save it or seal its fate? Don't drop out. No, devour every thrilling beat. Like if this hooked your rotors, comment your Chinook predictions to stir the storm. Share with your flight crew, and subscribe to Defense Digests for relentless rides through the machines that master the mayhem. Because the next heavy lift hero could thunder in any time. Stay strapped. Skies